Today we're making a turkey and green bean casserole. Let's go! Grab a skillet, put some oil in there. Ground turkey doesn't have a lot of fat in it, so we're gonna add some oil to the pan and we're gonna cook this all the way through. While we're cooking our turkey, I've actually just made 4 cups of rice. It's jasmine rice. You're gonna need that for the casserole fully cooked. While that's cooking, I'm gonna grab my green beans. I'm actually going to cut the ends off of the green beans and then I'm gonna cut them in half. You can use canned green beans too. That's totally fine. The recipe will work the same exact way. Now, turkey meat holds and retains a lot of water, so when you do cook it down, drain the water a little bit and then add your seasonings. Now, I'm gonna put my onion in. Since the water is gone, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. I'm gonna add oregano, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, garlic salt, and pepper. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees. If you're using glassware like I am, you're gonna preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now grab your bowl of green beans, a plain Greek yogurt. Why? Because we're making this healthy. You can also substitute this for sour cream. 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, low sodium. Now in our big bowl, we're gonna add rice, our turkey, and mix it up. If you want to make this recipe with less sodium and higher protein, substitute the cream of mushroom soup for more Greek yogurt. We're gonna add mozzarella cheese on top. This recipe is packed with protein. The recipe makes 6 servings, 520 calories, 46 grams of protein. I'm gonna add a pepper on top. And we're gonna add some breadcrumbs. Put this in the oven for about 20 minutes. Now it's been 20 minutes. I'm actually gonna put it on broil for a couple minutes. Now I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes. Now brighten it up with some parsley. Let's go ahead and try it out. Cut, cut, cut.